This 5-minute solution will show you how to read all unread Gmail on laptop at once. So if you have a bunch of mails in your Gmail and you want to read all of them at once, follow these simple steps. Open your Gmail and click on Select All, and here 50 conversation on this page will be selected. If you have more than 50 conversation, then you have to click on Select All Conversations in Primary, and then all you have to do is just click on Mark as Read. Click on OK, and after doing this, your all unread mails will be read. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.